In this video, I'm talking about this really awesome video transition that you can do completely in camera, and that is the earthquake or the camera shake transition. So let's get right into it. Now this effect is really simple and all of the work is done in camera. You don't need any special After Effects or Premiere plugins to do this effect. This is all in camera. So in order to capture this transition, we first need a camera. So I'm just going to grab this one over here. Now once you have your camera, you want to start rolling the shot. So this is going to be the first shot of the transition. So we're going to start rolling, we're going to film the action, and at the end of the shot where you want the transition to begin, we're just going to aggressively shake the camera. So we're going to roll, camera's rolling, and transition. So you can do this left to right, you can do this up and down, you can do a rotation, it's completely up to you. But you just want to aggressively shake the camera at the end of the shot. I should note it's very important to pay very close attention to the lens. If you've got a big lens on the camera, then shaking this around too much is going to potentially damage the connections in the lens. So if you're doing this transition and you've got a big lens on your camera, then you want to firmly support the lens with your hand as well as the camera. So at the end of the first shot, we're going to shake, we're going to cut after the shake, and then we're going to go into our second shot. So we're going to start by rolling the camera, and then we'll shake, and then we'll go into our action. So we'll shake and go into smooth movement. So just to recap, we'll start rolling the first shot and shake, cut. Second shot, start by rolling the camera, we'll shake, go into our shot, and then once you finish the action, you can just cut. Now, when it comes to the editing process, all you have to do is trim the very end of the first clip and trim the very beginning of the second clip, drop these two together in the edit, and as you'll see, you'll have this really awesome earthquake transition happening. It's really awesome, it's really simple, but it's a very effective and powerful transition. And there you go. If you feel like you learned something from this video, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and check out this other transition that I think you'd like by clicking this box just over here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video.